feels awesome. I think it's amazing to have the sense of ownership of what you're doing, and have an idea that can be used by a lot of people. Entrepreneurship is more about the fact that we were not told that we actually need to speak up, we need to advocate for ourselves and for others, and I think that's the biggest challenge, to actually nurture this part in yourself, and just believe in yourself that you can do that. Actually, Cobra Labs did an amazing job in establishing the first ground software for my company, and I'm very happy with what it came about to. And the whole idea was to make it easy for other brands to onboard on our marketplace, and to promote sustainable and ethical brands. So we are very passionate about helping other businesses too. So I think Cobra Labs did an amazing job in making sure that it's easy for other brands too. So the time is up, we gotta do that. There is nothing that women cannot do rather than the men, and we actually bring even more to the table rather than men been bringing all this time. And a couple of the things is empathy, and we have much more empathy rather than men just naturally. I think you just need to start doing the projects that you've been always thinking about, and when you're there, don't hesitate to ask for help. No matter that we are building these businesses for the community that we live in one way or another. It's an amazing journey, and just keep doing that.